Hi, welcome to Mercy's in the Kitchen. Welcome to a part of my family. All of my subscribers is a part of my family. I hope everyone is doing well. God bless. I'm going to cook some curry liver with callaloo dumpling. So this is all of the ingredients I'm going to use into the liver. I'm going to put in some bell pepper, garlic, a small amount of tomato and scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to use different type of spice inside of it and the curry. Also some salt and pimento seed. I put it down in the description, whatever I use inside of it for you to know. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to season the liver. So I'm not going to burn the curry, I'm going to put the curry on the liver. I'm going to mix everything in. After that, I'm going to get in all of the chop, season inside of it. I'm going to rub in everything inside of it. I'm going to put it away to stay and soak. So I'm going to put it away for it to take the season. In the meantime, I'm going to look about the dumpling. So I'm going to allow it to stay here. I finish with the season, my liver, so I'm going to put it away to make it stay and soak the season. So inside here I have my callaloo already washed and cut up. I'm going to blend it to make my dumpling. I'm not going to strain it when I blend it because I want to taste everything into my dumpling. So this is the way it looks when I finish to blend it. So I need my liver to stay there and take in all of the curry and the spice inside of it. So I'm going to show you going to make my callaloo dumpling. Remember to wash your pan. I'm going to mix it in the salt inside of it. You know that callaloo is very healthy. Callaloo give your body blood, you know. It's very nice to eat callaloo with liver. The liver will give you also blood. I'm going to throw again. Smells so nice. So look at my callaloo dumpling. Isn't it nice? Look on it. Look at it pretty. So my pot is boiling now. So it's time to get in the dumpling inside of it. It don't cook as yet. As you can see, it do not float as yet. Once the dumpling floating, it cook. So I'm going to look on the dumpling now. As you can see, it's floating. You see it? So the dumpling is cooked. Now it's time for me to cook my curry liver. So my pot is on with the oil inside of it. So it's time for me to get in the liver inside. You're not going to put any water inside of it. We're going to allow it to sear and cook. Put its own water and cook. We're not going to add any water. I don't want the liver to have a long water. I'm going to put on a pot cover on it. And guys, don't say it looks different from the pot, because this pot, when I bought it, it do not come with any cover. So I'm using my own pot cover at home on it. Because the liver have to be steamed. I'm going to take a look on it. So what I'm talking about it is steam its own water. You see this way? That's what the pot cover is all about. To sear and steam its own water. And remember to cook your liver on very low flame, because the liver have to take its own time and cook out the blood inside of it. So when you cook it on very low flame, it's very good for you. You have a sweeter meat to eat, and you don't taste any blood inside of your meat, and everything just combined together and nice. So when you're cooking your food, just take your own time and just cook it. Don't haste it to be cooked. Just turn on your flame and cook your, make it take its own little time there and cook. If for 15 minutes, you don't turn up your fire, make by 10 minutes or so it cook. No, you're not going to cook properly. Make it stay there and cook on a very low flame, and you will enjoy your meal. So I'm going to take a look at it. Looking very delicious. So it's time to remove my flame.